Hello there, parents and teachers. Are you searching for a fun and educational activity for your kids? Well, look no further. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational activities and ideas. Introducing our Clock Angle Challenge, the perfect way to explore angles in a fun and engaging way. Let's break it down step by step, in simple terms. Step 1, we start by dividing the children into small groups. Easy, right? Step 2, each group draws at least 10 to 12 clocks. The more, the merrier. Now, step 3, draw hands on the clocks to represent different times, like 3:45. Step 4, next, we challenge the students to identify the angles they create. Is it a right angle, more than a right angle, or less than a right angle? Let's find out together. Step 5, it's competition time. The team that correctly guesses the angle scores a point. This activity makes learning about angles exciting while boosting teamwork and critical thinking skills. So, if you're a parent or teacher looking for enjoyable learning activities, why not give the Clock Angle Challenge a try? If you enjoyed this activity, remember to like, share, and reach out to us. Also, visit our website at mitzi.com for more educational resources. Subscribe to our channel for supporting our kids to learn better. Join us on this educational journey, and together, let's make learning a fantastic adventure.